In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download QuickBooks IIF files. If you need to export list data from QuickBooks Desktop, the IIF format can be a useful option. IIF stands for Intuit Interchange Format, and it's commonly used when you want to move certain list information out of QuickBooks for backup, review, or transfer purposes. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select so you can export your file smoothly. To begin, open QuickBooks Desktop and make sure you're signed in with admin access. This is important because some export options are only available when you're logged in as the administrator. You'll also want to switch QuickBooks into single user mode before continuing. If your company file is currently open in multi-user mode, the export option may not work properly, so it's best to verify that first before moving on. Once you're logged in as admin and working in single user mode, go to the top menu and click File. From there, move down to Utilities, then choose Export. This area contains the export tools you'll need for creating an IIF file. After that, select Lists to IIF files. This option is specifically for exporting list data from QuickBooks Desktop into the IIF format. When the export window opens, you'll be able to choose which lists you want to include. Take a moment here to select the lists you actually need. Depending on your workflow, this might include customers, vendors, accounts, items, or other list-based information stored in QuickBooks. Choosing only what you need can help keep the export organized and easier to manage later. Next, you'll be asked to choose a save location. Pick a folder on your computer that's easy to find, especially if you plan to import the file somewhere else or send it to another authorized team member later. It's a good idea to save it somewhere clear and memorable, like a dedicated exports folder, so you don't have to search for it afterward. Once your lists are selected and your save location is set, click Save. QuickBooks will then create the IIF file and store it in the location you selected, and that's it. You've successfully exported an IIF file from QuickBooks Desktop. Just remember, start by logging in as admin. Make sure you're in single user mode. Go to File, then Utilities, then Export. Choose Lists to IIF files, select your lists, choose where to save the file, and click Save. If you follow that order, the process should be quick and straightforward.